Now we are going to look at rounding numbers. There are few rules that you have to remember. The first rule is underline the number in the place value to be rounded. In the place value of the number that is to be rounded. For example, if you are going to round off to the nearest 10 and the first number is 45. What is the number in the tens place? It is 4. So we are underlining 4. Then what should we do? We should check the number to its right. The number to the right is 5. What should we do if that number is a strong number? Strong numbers. What are the strong numbers? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here we have a strong number 5. What should we do? Then increase the underlined number by 1 and make the following numbers as 0. So we have to increase this number by 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 and make the following. The next number is 0. So rounding off to the nearest 10 is 45 becomes 50. Let's see another example. Okay. Let's take 76. Okay. 76. What should we do? We should underline the number in the place value to be rounded. So near to the nearest 10 dane. So 10's place la irukra number underline pannanom. Okay. So we have underlined 7 here because it is in the 10's place. We are rounding it off to the nearest 10, right? Now look at the number towards its right. What is the number? It is 6. Any number above 5 is a strong number. So when we have a strong number, we have to increase the number underlined by 1 and make the following numbers into 0. So what do we do here? Increase the number 7 by 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 and make the following number 0. So we get 80. Alright. Now let's take another example. 148. Here the number in the tens place is 4. Correct? Here the number in the tens place is 4. So we have underlined 4. The next step is to check the number towards the right. The number towards the right is 8. You know that 8 is a strong number. So what should we do? Increase the underlined number by 1 and make the rest of the numbers 0. So here we will write 1 as it is and increase this number by 1. It becomes 5. Then 8 becomes a 0. So we have got the answer here also. Do you understand? Now, for example, if you have got the number as 212, okay? Here the number is 212. What is the number to be underlined? The number in the tens place. That is 1. Correct? Unit 10, 100. So 1 is in the tens place. Correct? So after underlining the number in the place value, what you have to do? You have to check the next number. What is this number? It is 2. Any number from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. All these numbers are weak numbers. What should we do for weak numbers? If the next number is a weak number, 4, 3, 2, 1 or 0, any of these, then keep the underlying number the same. Don't change it. Keep it like that. And change the following numbers to 0. So here we'll write 2 as it is in the hundreds place. Now we are supposed to keep the 1 as same. So we are not changing 1. And we are changing 2 to 0. 210. Did you get it? One more example. 3,631. Okay. I'm putting a comma here. You have to change this. Round off to the nearest 10. So what is in the tens place here? 3 is in the tens place, correct? What is the next number? The next number is 1. 1 is a weak number. So we don't have to change 3. See, if it is a weak number, then keep the underlying number the same and change the following numbers to 0. So we are going to keep the thousands place the same, the hundreds place the same. Also, this 3 also we have to keep the same because we have a weak number here. We change that number to 0. Got it? Now, let's say nearest 100, nearest hundreds place, and the first one is 92. Okay, here we have to round off to the nearest hundreds place. Ones place is 2, tens place is 9, hundreds place is 0. Alright, it's 0. There is no number there, so we are writing 0. What should we do? We should underline the number in the place value that is to be changed. So we are underlining 0. Then what should we do? If the number is a strong number, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Here the number is 9, correct? The next number is 9, so the number is a strong number. Then increase the underlined number by 1 and make the following numbers to 0. So what should we do here? We should increase 0 by 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. We put 1 and make the rest of the numbers 0. So we get the nearest hundreds place as 100 itself. Let's take another one. 325. Okay, 325. We have taken 325 here. The number in the place value is hundreds. Okay, so we are underlining 3. We have underlined 3 because this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Number in the hundreds place value is 3. So we have underlined 3. Then we check the next number. What is the next number? The next number here is a weak number. 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 are weak numbers. 2 is a weak number. So what should we do? We should keep the underlined number the same and change the following numbers to 0. So we are going to keep the underlined number the same. It's going to be the same. Then the rest of the numbers become 0. Correct? Let's do one more. 6,452. Here, ones place is 2, Tens place is 5, hundreds place is 4, and thousands place is 6. What should we do? We have to round it to the hundreds place, correct? So we are underlining the number in the hundreds place. 4 we are underlining, and we are checking the immediate next number. What is the next number? The next number is 5, which is a strong number. So what should we do? Increase this by 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we keep the thousands place as the same, correct? And then increase 4 by 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. And make these numbers 0. 6,500 is the nearest rounded number. One more. Alright? 7,974. Okay? In this, watch very carefully. The number in the hundreds place is 9. We are underlining 9. Okay? The next number is 7, which is a strong number. What happens when we have a strong number? We have to add 1 to this number, correct? 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10. This 1 goes here, correct? So what happens? The 7 changes to 8. 9 becomes 0. Appadana 10 agum. 79 plus 1 is 80, correct? 80, 0, 0. Because we have to change these numbers also to 0 according to the rule. Change the following numbers to 0. It is not number. It is numbers. Okay? Numbers to 0. So we get the answer as 8,000. Same way you can do for thousands place also. I hope you understood this. Thank you.